My name is Muhammad Kazal Afam bin Kamal Zaman. So I will present the ordinary differential equation project. So my group members is Muhammad Zara Amsyah bin Khairuddin, Basil Muhammad Ismail Ghaffar, Jivanish anak lelaki Vijayan. So for the introduction, one of the easiest ways to solve the differential equation is by using explicit formula and showing proven answer using software application, which is MATLAB and Maple software. A differential equation is an equation that contains one or more terms and the derivative of one variable, such as dependent variable with respect to another variable like independent variable. The differential equation contains derivatives which are either partial derivative or ordinary derivative. This derivative represents as rate of change, and the differential equation described as relationship between quantity that continuously varying with proportionally to the change in another quantity. There are a lot of differential equation formulas that can be divided into several types, such as ordinary differential equation, separation of variable, linear differential equation, non-linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, and non-homogeneous differential equation. For the question 1, A1, I use a homogeneous method. But for the second one, I use the exact method. So this is the simulation for A1. T dx over dt equal to 3t power of 2 minus x power of 2 divided by t minus 2x. So I put the lambda at the above one, so it will be lambda multiplied by 3t power of 2 minus x power of 2. And then I put the lambda at the bottom one, so it will be lambda multiplied by t minus 2x multiplied by t. And also I put the lambda as dx over dt. So it will be lambda dx over lambda dt equal to lambda multiplied by 3t power of 2 minus x power of 2 divided by lambda t minus 2x multiplied by t. So the final answer will be dy dx equal to 3t power of 2 minus x power of 2 t minus 2x multiplied by t. This will be the same as question. So the second one, I use the exact method. So the question is dy over dx equal to 1 minus 2y minus x divided by 4y plus 2x. So for the m equation, which is 4y plus 2x, after I integrate, we'll give a respect to the x, it will be 2. And for the n, after I integrate and give respect to y, it will be 2. So the same answer for the m and n, so it will be proof it using a exact method. This is the manual for the B question. For the simulation B, the question is yx dy dx equal to 2 multiplied by y power of 2 plus x power of 2. After I bring the yx to the right side, so it will be dy over dx equal to 2y power of 2 plus 2x power of 2 yx. After that, I substitute the formula, which is y equal to vx and dy dx equal to v plus dv dx. So it will be v plus x dv dx equal to 2vx power of 2 plus 2x power of 2 divided by vx power of 2. And I bring the vx to the right side, so it will be minus vx. And after that, Maple can expand vx multiplied by x, so it will be x dv dx equal to 2vx power of 2 plus 2x power of 2 divided by vx power of 2 minus vx. And then after I factorize the equation, so it will be negative vx power of 2 minus 2vx power of 2 minus 2x power of 2 divided by vx power of 2. So the answer is x dv dx equal to v power of 2 plus 2 divided by v. And after I integrate to the both side, which is dv and dx, it will be ln v power of 2 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to ln x plus c. After that, I substitute the v with the y over x. So it will be ln y power of 2 x power of 2 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to ln x plus c. Next, I simplify it. And after that, I bring the divided by 2 to the right side. So it will be ln 2x power of 2 plus y power of 2 divided by x power of 2 equal to 2 ln x plus 2c. Next, I substitute the value of the x equal to 2 and y equal to -1. So it will be ln 9 over 4 equal to 2 ln 2 plus 2c. After that, I combine the equation. So it will be 2c equal to 2 ln 3 over 4. After that, after I solve it, it will be ln 3 minus 2 ln 2. So the last one, the final step is 2x power of 2 plus y power of 2 divided by x power of 2 equal to 9 over 16 x power of 2. So the final answer, it will be y plus minus x over 4 square root of 9x power of 2 minus 32. For the question C1, this is the manual method. This is the simulation for the C1. I use the linear method to solve this problem. The first step is x dy over dx plus 2y equal to exponent power of x. And then I rearrange the equation to use a linear method. So it will be dy over dx minus by exponent power of x over x plus 2y over x equal to 0. So after that, after I integrate the p, it will be the exponent power of ln x power of 2, and the answer will be x power of 2. So then I use a formula y multiplied by I equal to qxi dx. And the formula will be appear that yx power of 2 equal to e power of x over x multiplied by x power of 2 dx. So after I solve it, it will be yx power of 2 equal to xe power of x dx. And the last answer is for the question 2 is dy over dx plus I sine t equal to sine t. I use also the same method, which is I use a linear method. So this is the simulation of C2. Dy over dx plus I sine t equal to sine t. So the p is sine t, q is sine t. So after I integrate the p, it will be sine tx. So the p is sine t, so the q1 is sine t. And then I use the I equal to exponent power of px dx. So it will be exponent power of ln negative cos x. So the solution will be y equal to cos plus c. And then I substitute the value. So it will be cos pi plus I equal to e. After I integrate the cos pi dx, so it will be I minus sine x equal to exponent. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Javed Balaji, and my matrix number is DE220086. So today I will present about question 2. The question is get order of homogeneous ordinary differential equation. So here we got y double prime plus 3y prime minus 10y equal to equation the 2 power of equation power 2 of f. So the first one is I have to determine coefficient. So here the solution for the manual question today. And this one is my answer manual for question today, which is I have to use the variation parameter. So here the result I got. Okay, so this is the answer for my question today, which is I use Maple software, which is for me is more easier other than other software that even. So for the question today is the equation here y double prime plus 3y prime minus 10y equal to exponent at. So here the result that I got. Second one is I have to find the complementary function for at. So I put the y prime y double prime plus 3y prime minus 10 y equal to 0. So from this, I will solve the question from line 2, and I got this one. Then I have to find the particular equation by t, so that 2 by t is fs equal to f by t into f. Then I calculate them manually using the software, and I got all of these. Then that, here the result, this is the resolution, and here the final answer for now. It's the answer for question 3. So the equation same as the question A, but it's different because I have to use the variation of the uh, equation. So it's different, but it is same, and I have to solve for find cognitive function S. I have to solve the line number 4. This y s that's one. And we have to find wrong n of w. So here the formula that I use, then as uh, the manual. Then I have to find U and P for this question. I got to simplify. I got the P power of the S uh, divided by 49 plus. Then here the result for my final answer simulation for 2B differentiation, and the last one is the result exponent S at plus 7 plus exponent to S A plus exponent power of 2S divided by 49 plus DE power of negative 5x. So that's all for the question answer for question 2A and 2B. Thank you.
So I will continue from here. This is question 3. Given an unhomogeneous system of the first order ODE as shown here, this is the manual calculation. Y1 is equal to negative 10y plus 10 y2 plus 5. Y2 prime is equal to negative 20 over 3. Y1 plus 98 plus 15. Y2 plus 10 over 3. And this is A for homogeneous system. We first matrix form, and then we have to find the eigenvalue. When we use the calculator, we get lambda 1 and lambda 2 as shown here. And then we have to find eigenvector, this one. So we will find the yc. And then for b, we have to find the particular integral. So when we find lastly yb1 and yb2, 0.5 and 0. And for C, we have to find y, which is yc plus yp. This way, if we combine them together, and this is for D, we have to find A and B. So A is equal to this and B equal to this. And this is for the simulation when we use MATLAB for simulate this. This is the coding. So in the comment window, we will get this one. And when we use MATLAB, so we have to run this, we will get this answer. So this is all for question 3.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about the question 4a. Question 4a and number 1, the Laplace transformation of ft equals to 2e negative 2t sin dit. And so this is the calculation and I did. And number 2 is Laplace transformation of ft equals to 3e negative tt h kurungan t minus 2. And these are the calculation. These are the calculation of the one, number 2. And these are the result of the simulation of question 4 using Maple software. The first one is answers for 4a. So these are the simulation and the coding for the answers for A. We have been tried using Maple. And these are the question answers for simulation for B. So the conclusion are the main purpose of this project is to solve the problem from electrical and electronic software area. The summary of the project is employing and employees mathematical tools such as MATLAB, and we were able to solve the problem. We obtained knowledge by applying this strategy in order to solve the problem and calculate the calculation while using MATLAB. As a consequence, the primary goal of the project is which required to conduct calculation using mathematical tools. In addition, we did manual calculation to verify our answers. As a result, we employ our skill to Laplace transformation to obtain the problematic solution of MATLAB.